Hello, in this video we would like to explain to you about the three-phase and signal-phase RCB switch and explain about its use. This device is a three-phase RCB switch that we use in the panel. Who mistakenly put the name of the life protector on this device? This device detects if there is a leak in the power circuit. This device measures the input currents with the output currents. If it is equal, it is not an error. So, if this difference is more than 3 milliamps, it's cut off the power circuit. We connect the inputs of the three phases to 135. We take 2, 4, 6 and connect it to the conductor. This is the test button. You should press this button once a month to know if this device is working properly or not. How should you connect the inputs and outputs that I say? It doesn't interrupt the maximum current difference up to 3 milliamps. But if this difference is more than 3 milliamps, it will cut off. This is a three-phase model where we also have a signal phase model. There is a maximum of 3 milliamps on the signal phase model. Now we activate and press test button. The RCPK will be tested with internal short currents. If all four wires are connected and we press the test button, its switch will be disconnected. This device is displayed in this section, which is a RCB. Now we want to do the wiring of the signal phase model. In the upper part, we connect the phase to 1 and 0 to null. We connect the A1 conductor to A and A to 2. Here and here. This space is a loose. We will tighten it. Now if we activate the RCB switch, RC CRB switch, the contactor will be connected, and if we press the test button, the contactor will be deactivated. If it's like for a signal phase wire, for a two phase, you should connect wire L1, L2, LT, and the neutral to this part, and connect it to the head of the conductor from this part. This signal phase switch is used for the common circuit in this way. For a places where we have a signal phase electricity and we use the signal phase motor, we no longer use them for the common circuit. And for a three-phase RCB, it must be used for the power circuit. Now, because we want to test, we connect the conductor to A1. If you want to use it for the power circuit, you don't use the conductor anymore, and you connect directly to the motor from pin 2. Now we connected the conductor to the common circuit just for testing. And one thing I must say is that if you take a phase and zero together, this trick will not work. It is true that it interrupts currents greater than 13 milliamps because the difference between phase and neutral is less than 13 milliamps. This is if you are resulted and electrocation happens. If you had touch the pause and your foot on the ground, it is device work. Okay, in this device we explain about. If you have any question about this device, ask in the comment section.